We've got a Bizy Beauty Box mystery bundle battle, and it's going to be epic. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And there's Bandit in between us, and we have a mystery bundle battle put together by Steph over at Bizy Beauty. So she had these cups and she was building mystery bundles, and I said, what a great idea, Chloe and I could do a mystery bundle battle with these. So, you ready? The first item you're going to pull out is a big one, and it's going to be a cup. So I got this green Starbucks type cup. It's got like a little iridescence to it.
I got a kitty cup.
Because I told her I thought you'd like a kitty cup. You want to show them the... Can you show them the cup?
Sure.
It's got little kitty ears. It's
Cute.
good for in your room.
I got like stuff in here. I got aloe soothing gel. A Kapari lychee face vitamin mask.
Ooh.
Oh, I have this at home. It's a really good eye.
You are at home.
Oh right, I forgot.
It's a Tony Moly eye cream. They're moisture
I have
boost.
the container with the way it's super cute and works well. Watery cream green tea.
That's also Tony Moly.
I already showed
Another
the aloe.
Aloe.
Oh, cool! A little ring watch.
What's this? Some lip potion.
Nice, and a little ring watch.
That's adorable.
It is.
Can we show them? All right, and inside of mine, I have, Kinsey, you are so dangerous. Thank you. I have, by Laneige, the Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Revitalizing Toner. And I have some eye masks by Tony Moly. Hold on, I got two more things in here.
Yeah, I'm just putting things back.
A Laneige Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. So that must be like a whole set. And what's that say? Yes.
Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Eye Cream.
And an eye cream.
Ooh, Tea Time New York English Breakfast Tea Treatment Essence. It's restore, plump, moisturize. It's this.
Yeah, when I saw that, I was like, that's got to be for Chloe, because A, she likes tea, and B, she'd gotten this before and we can't find it. It was in the bathroom. So this is a great, great toner. This is a peanut
actually, I know where the other thing is.
Oh, you finally found it?
Yeah, I'll give it to you after we're done with this.
Okay. Where'd you find it?
Somewhere.
In your bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
I liked it, and I was gonna use it after I finished up with my toner. But you started using it, and then it was like halfway gone. I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa! You're using this too much. So I hid it in my
Once you
room.
open it, it's only good for a certain amount of time.
Yeah, but like my thing was almost up. It only had like a few weeks left, so I had to,
Oh, you had to hide it?
Yeah.
All right, by Kopari, I have the organic coconut melt. I wasn't sure which one of us this was for, so I just
Coconut milk what?
melt.
Oh.
So it's a cream.
Oh, I thought we could eat it.
No.
Ooh. A peach punch sweet foam cleanser. Ooh, that's gonna smell good.
And that is by Tony Moly. All right. Oh, I think this might be for you too, because it's a smaller size. And because she said the travel size stuff was for you, because she's thinking about camp next year, I think. And by Laneige, I have the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic. I think this is the moisturizer. And there's a little spatula taped to the top.
I got a mini blueberry lip balm. Yeah, I'm just putting the lid back on.
Look at how cute it looks, like a little blueberry.
I know, right? And it smells like it too.
By Stila, I have a trifecta Metallica lip, eye, and cheek stick in rose gold. Ooh,
Nice.
take a look at that.
Is that for lips or eyes?
Lips, eyes, and cheek.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
I
right?
got a portable lamp, and it's like a little bear.
Look at how cute that is.
I know, right? Oh, I thought it was gonna be a bear. It's a mouse. I actually like that a bit better. And it also has like a little USB in here.
And by Amika, I have the Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment, and I have used this before. It's very nice for fine, thin hair, and I think I said this in another video because I just got this in a box. But I actually put that in one of my Christmas gift boxes, so this will be my new backup. But you just want to put it on the ends.
Next, I got a coconut lime moisturizing shave oil.
And this is by Tree Hut. I have this Bella Pierre 1999 4-color eyeshadow palette, and it is in all purples, gorgeous.
What's this?
It's like a little thing that you can hook on to your backpack and put stuff in, like lip balms or whatever.
I got a really pretty holder and some nail polish.
And I got one in pink.
Everything's gonna be pink in there.
There is a pin that says, "Well-behaved women rarely make history."
I got a Dew of the Gods Higher Blend Daily Glow Oil.
And that is for your lips.
Oh,
And I
it is?
don't, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, maybe not. Maybe not. No, it's not. All right, I just thought it was because there was like, it looked like it might be for lips, but no. All right, and I have, this actually has perfume in it. I'm thinking there's perfume in it.
Open it. Maybe it's empty.
I thought I heard something. Maybe you put perfume in it?
Or air freshener.
Or poopery.
We definitely need more of that.
You have more, it's just, oh, then no, it is empty. I thought there was something in it. It's got a little vial, that's what I heard clinking around. So you could put whatever in there, put some poopery in there.
I got a rice clarifying blemish mask by Tony Molan. This is a pumpkin retinol eye cream by Tony Molan.
That's all I have.
Oh, yay! I got a velvety eyeshadow Very Dreams Dreams eye palette.
And that's from Violet Voss. That's what I thought you were going to have me do. Like that. That one right there.
A razor.
It's a little travel one.
Oh, really?
Look, yeah, it's inside a little case. Yeah, so when you go to camp, you don't have to worry about if you need to shave, you'll have that.
And last but not least, Hence Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Volumizing Conditioner.
Ooh. I didn't even know that they made a conditioner. So that might be for me because it's volumizing. Okay.
Buddy.
All right. So I don't know if this is for her or for me because it's a volumizing conditioner and volume is not an issue for her. So I'm going to take this one.
Oh, it smells.
Nope. Yeah. All right. So who had the better mystery bundle? Was it me or was it Chloe? Let us know in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Stay tuned because at the end of the video I'm going to tack on what today's giveaway is, but I didn't have that prepared. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you soon.